Doing life with Allie and Mike and Sam.
Oh, good lord. I don't know what that was. Alright, let's take him to the Epic. We're gonna go see Epic for a second. Come with. You gotta see this. It's very cool.
I guess we'll go to Islands.
It's too tall.
All
I
right,
don't know where to
we're
put
going to Epic.
Yeah, this is where. So the Preview Epic Center, Mike, you haven't been yet, have you?
I have not.
Okay, so there's actually, do you remember the old school days? I'm gonna age myself and I really don't care. When you'd go to those home builder places and they'd have the whole communities mapped out with those cute little houses and the little trees and the, right? They did that with Epic Universe, but with your phone, with the app, Sam's gonna show you, because you know, young people and technology. Now, they actually do it where you can scan it and it will do like a virtual reality of the thing. Check out this thing though. Like, yeah, they've got the different portals you can stand in front of. So, okay, so it's augmented reality. Check out the AR. So whatever's in this building, there's like a little code. And watch, check out his app.
No, in theory. No, you don't click. I think it's just not working.
It'll just do it? No, there's people in there.
Oh, you can see people.
See, there's little people. It shows up the little people, but if you do it by the rides, it'll make the rides go.
Right.
It's really neat. Here, show Mike.
So I mean, there's another Nintendo. There's How to Train Your Dragon. And then I think swings, right? Oh yeah, that's nice and tight too. That won't fall out. That won't fall out. There you go. Look.
You're there. He just went in the tunnel.
Got a bandolier. That's a little risky. Why is it risky? So that's
Do
probably.
you have to do it lined up with
No,
the...
it's on a cycle. See?
Oh, there it is. So there goes Mario.
I got it in like a man.
Or Donkey Kong?
Diddy Kong. That's
Diddy
close
Kong.
enough.
I'm sorry. You know what?
It's
I am
also-
not being quizzed on this. Which app is this? It's under that.
It will be under a separate program called Epic.
Oh, this is the Epic. Okay. So I have to download it? Oh, there's Mario down that way.
Yeah, and then you have Rainbow Road, which it only shows you stuff available when.
This is cool though. I want to see the Harry Potter one.
This is Dark Universe.
I'm all about the Ministry of Magic. I was trying to get into the little promo they had, but I missed it.
Oh, there's an app on your phone, by the way, that has is a separate download.
What's it called? Is it called Epic, Sam?
Yeah, and it also shows you the empty buildings. Here, there's an extra ride they show you. So they around the whole area. So it shows you the rides that are going to be created. Yeah. So once it goes around, it'll show you like the rides moving. It'll show you Diddy Kong using.
Of course there is. Look.
Yeah, that's the hard part. The ones downloads.
What's this? It is a special thing.
Hotel S.
Yeah, hotels, people will tell you a little bit about it.
Alright, so let's go back to the ride. What's in this ride? Oh, this is the Ministry of Magic. Oh! Shut up! Come look at this.
What is it?
It's the Ministry of Magic. So this is like a digital rendering of what is inside the building you see in front of us, or will be.
Oh, that's cool.
So that you can see the little robes, like people coming in through, going through the flue, the elevators. So that's what this big attraction is going to be, is the Ministry of Magic. Oh, that is so Oh, here you go. Here's a better shot of the Ministry. Check it out. From the other side of it. So there's the fountain and the little people. Trial of Dolores Umbridge today. There they come through the Flue network, the little powder. And then we're back into normal. All right, oh, there's a dragon. Where'd he go? There he is. You see him flying around? There's two of them. Actually, it's a bird, but there's a dragon flying. Actually, that looks like a thestral more than a dragon.
It is. It's more bony.
Yeah, that's got to be a thestral. Why do I know this? Useless knowledge. Oh, that's so fun.
So it looks fun.
That's very cool.
I like it.
Well, it looked like it wanted me to.
Yeah.
Show.